We are at my newest listing at 572 Auburn Avenue in the Old Fourth Ward neighborhood. This is a really special home. It's newer construction, so you have all the benefits of larger open spaces, and then they've updated it and added on to make it a really amazing floor plan. This neighborhood is so conveniently located. You can walk to the farmer's market, you're right at the Beltline, you're right at the MLK Center, and you're just a few steps down from La Fruta. This is the most exciting part of the home. So the home used to end right about where the kitchen is. When they did their kitchen renovation, they did this large addition. So it's a huge den across the back with beautiful views of this backyard, massive floor-to-ceiling windows. You can see that it's just flooded with beautiful light, an incredible space. In addition to this room, we even have a little mud room. We also have this large storage space that can be additional pantry. It could even fit a desk to make it into a little office. So they've really thought of everything here and made it very special. Now we're in the primary suite upstairs. We have these beautiful bay windows, incredible natural light, very spacious room with a walk-in closet, and an updated bathroom with a gorgeous marble shower and double sinks. Also on this floor, we have 2 additional bedrooms and an updated bathroom, as well as the washer and dryer. We are now in the backyard, and it is really unique to have a yard of this size in Old Fourth Ward. We also have this awesome alleyway that comes in so that you can park in the back and come up here, or you could add a garage at some point if that was important to you. But the owners here have worked very hard to make this yard really special. They have added trees and plantings and raised bed gardens and made it really a paradise. In addition to having a screen porch, a covered front porch, a huge side deck, and even some patio space, it's really perfect for entertaining. And I'll tell you a secret. In the winter, you have the most amazing skyline view of the city.